Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. The best Instant Pot multi-cookers are wonderful things. We use ours constantly, because whether you go for an OG Instant Pot or a similar model from the likes of Ninja or Breville, they'll save you time, space, and energy. They also mean less mess, and considerably less washing up. But most importantly of all, the food they make tastes fantastic. The best Instant Pot multi-cookers excel at more than one kind of cooking. You can use them as slow cookers and as pressure cookers, as soup makers and rice cookers, as yogurt makers and steamers.
Number 3. Ninja Foodie Max 14-in-1 SmartLid Multi-Cooker.
The 8-quart/7.5-liter Ninja Foodie Max adds air frying, grilling/broiling, and dehydrating to the long list of cooking methods offered by the best Instant Pots. It even offers the ability to introduce steam when air frying, which when paired with the built-in thermometer, ensures you can cook the perfect steak in this multi-cooker. On test, as well as excelling at steak, we were also impressed by the Ninja Foodie Max's ability to perfectly cook a variety of dishes, from beef chili to fries. The large capacity is ideal for those that have several mouths to feed, although the multi-cooker is bulky and takes up a lot of space on a countertop.
Number 2. Instant Pot Duo V27-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker.
Instant Pot's entry-level multi-cooker is just as effective when pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, and making yogurt as the model above, but with a more affordable price. It's the best Instant Pot for those on a budget. More compact and lightweight than other Instant Pots, the Duo V27-in-1 electric pressure cooker has 14 cooking modes, and true to its name, the Instant Pot speeds up lengthy cooking times, although not quite as quickly as its older sibling. The hotter or higher pressure you cook food at, the longer you'll need to wait for the pressure to reduce in the pan.
Number 1. Instant Pot Pro.
The Instant Pot Pro is the best Instant Pot you can buy right now. It sets out to replace 10 kitchen appliances including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, sauté pan, rice cooker, steamer, yogurt maker, and warmer, and has 28 cooking modes for preparing different dishes. There's also a version that can air fry too, known as the Instant Pot Pro Crisp. We were impressed the Instant Pot Pro also has 5 buttons that allow you to store your favorite settings for recipes you make regularly, giving you the convenience of the one-touch programs, but for your own custom recipes.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.